What up, people? What's happening? So I wanted to make a real quick video for you guys just to let you know the status of my YouTube channel and my status as a reviewer. So after taking a break off and on for just a few months, I've decided to just barely dip my toe back into the reviewing pool again. A lot of y'all folks are clapping right now, and a lot of y'all folks are shaking your head, but it doesn't matter to me because I really enjoy doing these reviews. But most importantly, I want to get some information out to you guys that are looking for it. The ones that are genuinely looking to find out whether a product is going to be good for them or possibly even work for them or worth their money. That's my goal. I'm not trying to make any money. There's no product grab here. There's nothing like that. No ulterior motives. I've said it several times. Subs and growing the channel is not really something that I'm interested in. Sub counts, like counts, I'm not really interested in. But I am interested in interaction down in the comments. I really enjoy that, and that's for me. So that's where I'm going to be going here, starting with my next review. Just going to kind of go at my leisure. And we're not doing a studio or anything. I've had a couple questions about my American flag back here. So what I've done is I really do miss my front porch videos. It's where I'm most comfortable. But with the weather and the traffic and the dogs barking and everything, it kind of gets frustrating for me, and I know it gets frustrating for you guys. So, since my son's joined the military and he's off in Korea right now, I've repurposed his room since, he's grown, he's not coming back. I've repurposed his room into what I'm calling the man cave, the man room. Everybody needs one. But this American flag is up in his honor. So, the day he graduated from basic training, we had purchased a service to where we purchased this flag and had this particular flag flown over the United States Capitol in Washington, D.C., above the Capitol building. And it came with a certificate and everything. So I've kind of got a little display behind me of Army military things, his boots. Let me move out of the way. Just a little bit of things I have just there in his honor. Really love supporting my son. But anyhow, so that's what's up with the flag. I'm not no diehard gun-toting patriot. Or am I? But anyhow. So I also want to let you know about I'm going to be switching up my review style. So I've done reviews when I first started. I started doing reviews, which was based on just a week with the product and just the experience. And that worked out pretty good, but there was something missing. It was just really bland. So I switched it up then to start doing unboxings. And first impressions. First impression being the key part of that. What I find with the reviews is that the reviews speak to the experience and the long-term use and longevity of the product that I wanted to let you guys know. But you were missing all of my excitement for when I opened the package, when I smelled it for the first time. You were missing that reaction. And those reactions are things that make me personally want to try a product. And I didn't want to jilt you guys, so I wanted to go that route. So I was doing unboxings, first impressions for a while. But with those unboxings, sure, you get the great first sniff. The first time you smell something that's relatively decent, if it's the first time that scent ever hit your nose, you're like, wow, you're really, really wowed. So I was doing those first impressions for a while, and I would get really, really wowed by a scent. And then I'd use it for a week or so, and I'm like, it's okay. Where did it go? Maybe it just wore off. But the first time you smell something, for me, the first time I smell something is normally just fantastic. It's just wonderful scents. And then it kind of grows on you. So what I want to do is I want to take the kind of boring and bland reviews, even though they're not boring and bland, but the informative part of a review, and I want to mesh it with the unboxing first impression. So that way you get the very first impression, what the very first thing I think, as well as the experience with that product. I want to mesh those together and give it to you guys. And we're not looking at a bunch of long videos. I personally, if a video creeps up over 15 minutes for me, normally I don't click on it. And I'll try to keep all of the videos for you guys under 15 minutes, unless we've got a lot of product or whatever the case may be. But I'm going to try to keep them short and keep it factual. And of course, give you my opinions. So that being said, I'm dipping my toe back in. And I've got a few products on the way. A couple I've bought and a couple that's being sent to me. I've got a couple of overseas companies, well, actually one right now that's locked in, that's sending me product for review. So if there's any other companies out there that want to have anything reviewed, please feel free to DM or message me. This is not intentionally reaching out, but I've put a lot of you guys off and let you know, hey, I'm not really doing product reviews right now, and I'll get back with you. So this is the one way that I'm going to get back with everybody collectively, If there's anything you want to see me review, just hit me up in the DMs, let me know, and we can work something out. And I won't be charging or anything like that. I'm doing this because it's a great hobby of mine, and I love this. I love this community. I've grown and learned a lot about the community and myself from 2019, and I want to kind of realign a little bit and work better with what I see and what I've learned. So it's not a new year, new me or nothing like that. I've learned some things, and I want to move forward with what I've learned. So anyhow, if there's anything specific that you guys might want to see me review, something you haven't heard of, hit me in the DMs, let me know. If there's companies you want me to review, let them know, let me know. Let's get this thing cranking. But we're going to be going kind of slow to start with. I don't want to get overwhelmed again. Anyhow, I've had your ear enough, you guys. I appreciate it, and keep your ear out and keep your eyes peeled for a review coming in about a week or so. Y'all take it easy. Take care of them beards. Have a great one.